Hello all, welcome to Dattu's class. In this video, we are going to see how to reuse or import slides from another presentation. So let's get started. In order to import slides from another presentation, first go to Home tab and click on New Slide and select Reuse Slide. Here it will show an path insert slide from. So browse the file and select the presentation from where you need to reuse the slide. So I'm selecting this one. So I want content, so it is automatically incorporated into this presentation. So I want slide 5, so it has been added. Likewise I want to add slide 8, so this has been added. Now close this one. So the slides from the another presentations have been added to your presentation. This is how you can reuse or import slides from another one presentation into another presentation. I hope this was useful. Keep subscribing to Dattu's class. Have a nice day.